Okay, so now that we've looked at the physical characteristics for the top row of minerals, we're going to look at now the second row of minerals that I got picked out. And if I could have the camera come up and kind of look at these minerals, make sure that you guys at home have these minerals out. And if you don't, we're going to perform physical tests so that you get the right ones in there. Okay? So let's look at this first one. And it's kind of a nondescript, dark colored mineral, and you've got several like it in your kit. And we're going to make sure that you've got the right mineral here. So the first thing I'd like you guys to do is perform a hardness test. So Mike, why don't you want to perform a hardness test for me?
No, it is not harder than glass.
Not harder than glass. All right, the other side of our hardness test is it harder than your fingernail? So can you scratch that for me?
It is not harder than my fingernail.
All right, so you are able to scratch it with your fingernail.
Yes.
Okay, great. So would you say that mineral is hard or soft?
Soft, very soft.
Very soft. Soft is right. You can see it rubbing off on your fingers even, right?
You can even see where my fingernail.
You can see that gouge where you left it. Yeah, great. So what is this mineral?
Graphite.
Graphite is the right answer. So a good fun experiment for students is to hand them pencils, either mechanical or regular pencils, and ask them what mineral are they holding. And many times they'll come out and say that it's graphite, and then you can give them a piece of graphite, such as this, and have them write with it to show that the physical characteristic of it being soft, that smoking gun physical characteristic, is also what makes it useful in industry as a writing instrument. So, for example, you can see that writing is very easy with this graphite, and you guys can perform the same test at home to make sure that you've picked up the right mineral and put it in the line same way that we have here. So softness is going to be graphite's, well, hardness, but the fact that it's not hard is going to be graphite's smoking gun characteristic. What about this next mineral? What's its hardness? You able to scratch glass with it?
No.
No. All right. So what is it not?
It is not harder than quartz.
It is not quartz, right? All right. Because we said that quartz is smoking gun. Mm-hmm. Okay. What could that be? Let's use this magnet. Is it magnetic?
Yes.
Very magnetic. Easy. What's the name of that mineral?
Magnetite.
Magnetite is the right answer. It's a difficult science, isn't it? So, that's always a fun one as well, to give them a magnet and let them just put it on there. So we've got graphite, magnetite, softness, and magnetism.